We're about to get walloped. I told you the weather was changing, so why bother? That last storm was so bad, we lost this patch of beets, so why bother? This patch of Swiss chard didn't make it, so why bother? Only one Swiss chard out of this patch made it, so why bother? You know what we do on Thursday? We plant a mini greenhouse. So come on, let's take a look. Just like everything else, we dig back to the soil. And it looks like we had a couple carrots hold over. Oh, look at that. I would never tell another person how to garden. I just thought folks might be interested to find out what I've learned. A few years ago, I really asked myself, why bother? I really had to make a change. Why till? Why plow? Why pull weeds? Why fight bugs and disease? Why drag hoses? Just for a couple tomatoes and a few beets. That's what it seemed like it sometimes. So I had to change the way I saw things. And this is why. I've got spinach and carrots and cilantro, sprouting purple lettuce, right before we're going to get hit with another winter storm. I've got beets and onions and turnips and spinach. We planted these in the fall. I'm in the business of continuous improvement, trying to make things better, remove waste out of systems. Why not do that to the garden? And I really had to make a change. I wasn't going to pull weeds anymore. Once I tried deep mulch and realized that it really did stop the weeds, I had to do a little more research. Who did okay picking today? I wanted to know why it worked. And when I realized it was all about a living system, the life in the soil, it all started to make sense to me. And I thought folks might be interested. It may be extreme gardening to try to keep seedlings alive in the middle of February, but you can do it by adding a little more insulation. Just by adding a little more insulation, we'll keep that ground good and warm. And our bok choy plant right here got crushed the last time I tried to protect this. We're going to put a little support there. We got our arugula seedlings. We're just going to cover those. And our Swiss chard and our beet, why bother? They're biennials. They're going to be our seeds for next year. So why bother? Because there's nothing like, until you come out into your own garden, you sit peacefully, watch the birds, and pick fruit right off the vine and eat it. That's why I bother. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.